wondering how in the hell I'm alive, cause I'm beginning to feel like I died. Look, man, I can't explain. You could never do it if you had my brain. I thought if I said they could, but I can't. And the fact is, most of the rap is lame.
I'm staying afloat through the doubt. I'm electric connected like power lines. My flow is wetter than shower time. I'm scared of the teaching them how to grind. Decided I got it, I'm holding my weight. I'm providing the profit when showing my face. I got mine on my music, a trueness. I'm moving, I feel like my birthday and all of this cake.
I waited a decade, but then it was time to drop out of school and hop on the grind. Show my respect to the teachers and taught them a part of the etiquette I can provide. Put down the medicine, no more reset or result of the benefit off of my mind. Put it in my head again and fill it with adrenaline so I can rap faster to drop these rhymes.
I foreshadow day with those shade. Let us live and get this romance, yeah. Out in Chicago, I'm on that rebel and vodka. My heart of mercy, a lago, and yeah, I foreshadow day with those shade. Let us live and get this romance, yeah. Out in Chicago, I'm on that rebel and vodka. My heart of mercy, a lago, I'm staying up.
Fly me to the moon, let me play amongst the stars. Voices in my head, talking all the time, yeah. Voices in my head and they talking all the time. Demons all around me, trying to take my pride. Michael really love me, see what take a life. Voices in my head and they talking all the time. Voices in my head, in my head, in my head, and they talking all the time. Voices in my head, in my head, in my head, and they talking all the time. Yeah, voice in my head, yeah, talking again, yeah. I never rest, yeah. I'm on the edge, yeah. Losing my mind, I can't escape. I'm out of time, yeah. Look at my face, you see the pain all in my eyes. I cannot escape this. I've been feeling fucking insane, losing patience. Wish I could erase this. Looking back on all the past mistakes that I was making. Now it's only bitches and bottles, I'm in a matrix. Voices in my head and they talking all the time. Demons all around me, trying to take my pride. Michael really love me, see what take a life. Voices in my head and they talking all the time. Voices in my head, in my head, in my head, and they talking all the time. Voices in my head, in my head, in my head, and they talking all the time. Yeah. Do a job, no check, bitch, just so I can go flex, bitch. Ice on paycheck, wrist full of hate, but they ain't rich. $250,000 on the old girl for whatever, no, I don't say shit. She a queen, she'll put it down every time, no, that thing lit. Leaning on that activist, fucking with the baddest bitch. Never been a pacifist, rather let that righteous spit. Fuck everybody that told me I would never have this shit. Took me as a joke, switching roles, now voices in my head and they talking all the time. Demons all around me, trying to take my pride. Michael really love me, see what take a life. Voices in my head and they talking all the time. Voices in my head, in my head, in my head, and they talking all the time. Voices in my head, in my head, in my head, and they talking all the time. Need something new to call my own. Can't do this all alone. Ever luminous, my future look. I knew it all along. Too long I've been gone from the city life, but it's back to the mainland. The fruits of my labor. Tangerine dream boy been right with the flavor. I stick to the music, y'all stuck to a label. Not me. Records were turning the table. It seems.
Est-ce que y a du monde? Hello, hello, comment ça va? Comment vous allez? Bienvenue sur le stream. Comment vous allez? Alors, il fait super beau dehors. Mais ici, on s'enferme pour jouer aux jeux vidéo parce que c'est notre passion. Comment ça va? Aujourd'hui, stream spécial parce que on finit la première saison. Dernier épisode. Je suis stressé un peu parce qu'on sait très bien que Lee, c'est pas le top quoi. Il s'est fait mordre. Et donc voilà quoi. Tout va se jouer sur Clementine. Et on va voir ce qui se passe. Je pense que ça va aller assez vite vu que c'est le dernier épisode. Je pense que tout va aller assez vite. On va avoir des infos sur qui du coup est derrière le talkie-walkie. On sait pas qui c'est. On va savoir aussi si notre groupe va survivre. On n'est plus beaucoup dans le groupe, mais bon, il faudrait quand même qu'il survive. Kenny quand même qui est là depuis le début. On verra. Écoutez, ce que je vais faire, c'est que je vais lancer maintenant. Je vais lancer instant. On va pas perdre de temps, pas perdre plus de temps, pardon. Je vais lancer The Walking Dead. Je vais couper la petite musique. Hop. Voilà. Comme ça, musique du jeu. Faudrait peut-être que je vous screen mon écran. C'est important. Ok. Alors. C'est parti. Ouh là là. Je suis un peu stressé. J'avoue que je tiens un peu à Lee quand même. Savoir que je vais le perdre, c'est un peu triste. Saison 1. C'est parti. Oh là là. Je suis triste. Est-ce que je vais pleurer? Ok. Et donc, épisode 5. Plus assez de temps. Et il y a aussi un épisode spécial. Et apparemment, ça n'a aucun rapport avec les épisodes d'avant. C'est pas les mêmes persos et tout. Donc, je sais pas combien de temps il dure. Mais peut-être le faire. Peut-être. Quoi qu'il arrive. Parti. Previously on Walking Dead.
Previously on The Walking Dead.
What if my parents come home and I'm not there? I've got my walkie-talkie in case they try that way.
Hey, there were some batteries in one of those boxes. Here, you can have some too.
Can we at least look for my parents when we get there? They always stay in the same place when they go there.
À votre avis,
The Marsh
ils
House.
sont vivants,
Yes,
ses parents?
that's it!
You didn't come into
crois pas une
town
seule
from the
seconde,
railroad,
c'est-
did you? We gotta go! Yeah, why?
Clementine? Clementine!
Aïe.
Oh,
Par contre, j'ai
Clementine's gone.
peut-être
Wherever
fait le
she
choix
is, I have to
catastrophique
find her.
de ne pas le dire au groupe.
This is something I have to do alone.
Sorry, partner. No dice. No way I'm letting you do this alone.
I hope you find her, but you're gonna have to do it without us.
Clementine!
Ah là. Ma théorie du mec au talkie, c'est que déjà il a dû trouver le talkie sur le cadavre des parents de Clementine. Pardon, je suis vraiment fatigué aujourd'hui. Et du coup, après,
Vernon,
qu'est-ce qu'il veut?
get out
Je
here!
sais pas.
There doesn't have to be any trouble here. All I want is the girl. Give her back and nobody needs to get hurt. Clementine, are you all right? Where are you? Vernon, you son of a bitch. Vernon, put Clementine back on. I want to talk to her.
This isn't Vernon, and you should really watch your tone. Clementine's fine, but if I were you, I'd choose my next words very carefully.
What do you want from me? Whatever it is, I'll do it. You can let her go.
I want you to never hurt anybody again. This isn't a kidnapping, Lee.
Quoi?
Then what is it?
A rescue.
Quoi? En mode, il pense que j'ai kidnappé Clémentine? Et que je devrais aborder Clémentine?
Just hold on, Clementine. I'm coming for you.
Je comprends pas.
Don't worry, pal. We'll get her back. We ain't flush with time, but... Fuck. We got less than I thought. I'll be ready to kill anything that tries to get in.
You got it by yourself?
Damn right. You just trying to find another way out of here.
Got it.
And Lee, I'm glad I didn't let you come alone.
Ok.
Just some surgical supplies.
Ok, ok. Est-ce qu'on peut trouver des munitions, une arme, quoi que ce soit? C'est quoi ça? Un instrument de torture.
Looks like a carjack. I don't want to imagine this being used on a body.
Ah. Ok. Rien du tout.
I'll have these doors open in 2 seconds.
Pratique. Ah c'est... Ah putain c'est vrai, j'avais oublié. Ça va être compliqué là. Faut que je le dise à Kenny je pense. Ah ouais, je me suis évanoui carrément.
Lee, wake up. What the fuck happened? Are you alright? Oh, fuck me. When the hell did that happen? God damn it, Lee.
Okay.
Ok.
This has to be done. Sorry, pal. I gotta do it.
Elle va me couper le bras?
Whoa!
Thanks. God. I found your goddamn secret, you dumb son of a bitch. You were bitten? Fuck, man. When were you... God.
It
Ah,
happened
j'ai encore brisé sa
before.
confiance.
Sorry I didn't say anything.
You fucking better be. What are you doing keeping that to yourself?
I don't know.
Well, look, I'm pissed. But... I'm glad you're not alone.
Et en fait, il est trop
I
gentil,
was,
Kenny. Il a été gentil
gonna try to do a little
à chaque fois avec
surgery
moi.
before you
Et je
woke up.
regrette de tous les choix que j'ai fait contre lui.
Let's do it. Maybe it'll work.
It's a hell of a risk, but... Hey, you never know.
Ouais, en vrai, je pense qu'on peut essayer de couper. Si on fait un bon garrot après.
Cut it off.
You sure?
Yeah.
Parce que du coup, je vais avoir un bras en moins, donc ça va être compliqué pour la fuite ou je sais pas.
It'll be over before you know it. Just gotta get through.
Mais j'aurais peut-être pu les étourdissements, les évanouissements, tout ça.
This ain't gonna be fun.
Aïe aïe aïe.
About it. You got
Keep still. Try to keep still. Hold on, man.
Aïe 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 aïe. C'est une folie que j'en sorte. Hein.
Holy hell. We thought maybe we'd lost you. You've been out a while, man.
My arm's on fire. I can still feel my fingers. Holy hell. Oh, this hurts more than you can believe.
J'avoue que la sensation
You
elle
gonna
doit
be
être
able to get
bizarre.
going? I think we gotta move.
En tout cas, ils sont gentils les zombies. Ils nous ont laissé quand même le temps de couper mon bras et que je me
Good. The
repose.
elevator's open. Let's go.
Sympa les zombies.
I'll bring up the
Sympatoche.
rear. I don't want to bleed on anyone.
You are some kind of something.
Jeez.
Ça va être compliqué.
Not exactly a handicap ramp.
No, it's not.
Putain,
gonna
je sais
have to
pas
climb
si
as
arrive
quiet as
d'être
we can.
gratte derrière
Handle
l'oreille.
Yeah. Get going.
You okay down there? Quiet, remember?
It's no big deal. Another arm would just get in the way.
Shit.
C'était un screamer ça? J'ai même pas peur. Oh. Oh merde.
Watch out! Damn. Everything okay up there?
I just about shit my pants. But yeah.
J'en ai chié dans mon fut. No help. Ouais, c'est la D là, je sais pas comment on va s'en sortir.
Remember when Savannah was empty?
Oh, way back then.
En fait, c'est
Like
toute
6
la
hours
horde
ago?
qui suivait le train. Mais c'est
Lots
bizarre
happened
parce
in
qu'on a
the
été super vite.
You wanna talk about what happened back there? You lost a lot of blood. If you find yourself getting winded or worse, you gotta let me know.
Okay. Probably just need to go a little slower. And I know we can't afford dead weight, so don't treat me like I am.
I won't.
We need to get off this roof as fast as we can.
I'm with you. We just need to figure out a way to get across town safely. I think step one is to pick a direction. Back towards the mansion is my vote. I'm all turned around, though.
It's between us and River Street, so we can stop if we have to. Retrace our steps, maybe. And they get going towards the hotel where Clem's parents were staying.
Okay. We get down and we find a little girl out there. Right now.
Yes. C'est le projet.
Now, let's get our bearings.
Ok, alors. Moi je pense qu'en vrai, il faudrait peut-être faire sonner les cloches. Ouais, mais on peut pas, si. Attends, je pouvais faire quoi d'autre là?
It's a bell tower. Like the ones Molly used to draw the walkers around the city. No way. It's higher than this roof for starters.
Ok.
Hospital must have run out of doctors.
On a une échelle déjà.
Poor bastard took a spill.
Yeah, looks like whoever was up here painting that sign went ass over tea kettle. Whoa, you need some help with that?
I got it. Damn it. Oh, shit.
The bell tower.
Yeah. Could buy us some time. Draw as many as we can this way. Get down off the roof on the opposite side and bust our asses getting back to the mansion.
You think you should be the one to go? Let me do it.
No. If we have to decide who takes a risk like this, it should be the guy who's got the least to lose. What's the worst that could happen? I get bitten again? If anything happens to me, you're the only chance she's
Oh, le
got.
deuxième bras, non.
Be
On
careful.
trouve son bras. Ok, allez. C'est parti.
Why the hell are we letting the one-armed guy do all the high-risk maneuvers?
'Cause the one-armed guy insists. Now shut up about it.
Wow, ça
That
parle
thing
trop mal.
looks a little rickety.
Je pense que c'est un peu
Maybe
toxique.
keep
C'est
that
une
shit
amitié
to
un peu
yourself
toxique.
next time.
Yep.
Oh shit.
Je suis bien dans la merde maintenant.
Jesus! You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. I was wishing I had my other hand.
No kidding. Try to find another way out.
It's locked. Shit. The exit in here's locked! A few solid rings of this and there'll be thousands down below.
Le petit frisbee que vous venez de voir passer et qui repasse, il est là. Oh, le petit frisbee. Oh là 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 là. Hop. Frisbee, dis bonjour à la caméra. Hein? Comment ça va, mon petit frisbee? Hein? Bah alors. Oh. Il vient pas souvent, mais quand il vient, il est très gentil. Là, je pense qu'il a juste envie d'un endroit où se poser. Normalement, en fait, ici, il a un petit panier dans lequel il s'installe. Sauf que je l'ai enlevé son panier. Parce qu'il était dégueulasse et tout, et impossible à nettoyer. Et du coup, le pauvre, il a plus d'endroit où se poser. Si, en vrai, il en a d'autres. C'est juste que... je pense que c'était son endroit préféré. Ok.
That did the trick, pal. Now get back here.
Comment je reviens? Impossible que je saute.
I think I have to jump. There's no way back.
Wow.
You can make it. It ain't that far.
You got this. You got this, motherfucker.
Motherfucker. Ouais, Kenny il aurait pu être là en
Good
soutien quand même.
goddamn leap, pal. Let's get the hell off this roof.
Parce qu'il m'a regardé sauter et puis basta. Hein. Wesh.
Open, damn it!
Pourquoi ils sont restés là? Et où le
What the
bateau?
fuck?
Vernon, his entire crew, they took the boat.
No fucking way!
Non.
They jumped us. They didn't have Clementine. They took the boat and locked us in here.
Les
The
bâtards.
invalids?
Their actions contradict your characterization, but yeah, the invalids.
They fucked us!
He's right. They're not invalids. They're just people. People who've been dealing with shitty situations even longer than we have. No wonder they got the jump on us.
I don't give a fuck if their Make-A-Wish was a fucking boat ride! When I find them, I'm gonna rip their throats out!
We'll never find them.
I can't believe they did this to us.
Sick. It really is. They use your goddamn sympathy for sick folks and then stab us right in the back.
They didn't use shit. They did what anybody would have done. They've been living like ghosts forever and they were fed up. That's it.
What the hell happened to you?
Cut it off.
Seriously?
I was bitten.
What?
It was an accident. Small, stupid thing. But yeah,
Before we split up?
yes.
You fucker! God, we would have gone with you!
I lived
Ah, si
through
je l'avais dit, il serait
it, which
venu.
is a start. And well, I thought it might buy me some time. You know, get that bite off my body. Hopefully whatever's gonna happen takes longer.
Oh, l'ambiance de merde.
Omid, can you go over the fence and let us into the backyard? We shouldn't be out in the open.
Yeah.
This is not happening. Everything is so fucked.
Clementine is still out there.
So we get Clementine, and then what?
We get the fuck out of cities. I'm done with cities. We go into the countryside and make a go of it.
I don't want to go back out there again.
Then don't. Go your own way.
You're every man for himself until you and your boyfriend actually need something.
You wouldn't have had a boat to lose without us. So shove it, okay?
Everyone keep it together. Nothing has changed, has it?
Nothing has changed?
I mean, immediately. We stay the course. Don't turn on each other.
We can do this in the yard. What do you think, Lee? What do we do now, without a boat?
Well, I know you two are just gonna look out for number one. And number two, you know, yourselves.
Find a small town. Maybe one that hasn't been ripped up too bad. At some point, people are gonna have to start rebuilding. And you guys and Clem should be part of that.
I don't know.
Lee's right, Krista. We've been so goddamn scared of strangers for so long, but at one point, we gotta take our chances, right?
This is bullshit. You might not even be around, so... With all due respect, Lee, his opinion doesn't carry a lot of weight.
Hey,
Yes.
it's still his little girl out there. She's number one. That's the end of that, okay?
But what about...
Oula.
Oh shit! Here they come!
In the house!
Vite, vite, vite. On va se cacher.
They shouldn't be able to get into the backyard, right? Maybe not.
We can secure this place.
Krista! Get on the windows in the front room. Check the boards.
Got it.
Kenny! Look for weapons. Gather anything you can find.
Will do.
Omid!
Oula.
What is it? Front doors!
Un bordel de
Lee,
merde.
help!
Cut their fucking arms off!
There's gotta be a knife or something in there.
Hurry!
Take their goddamn arms off!
Marrant
Now
comme
what?
ça de découper les bras.
Get ready to fight.
This place seems sturdy to me. I think we're fine.
Oh la merde.
Sturdy my ass! Get upstairs!
Go!
Oh mais c'est elle. Je l'avais pas reconnue, c'était...
Guys, help me with this!
Everyone get to the end of the hallway.
This'll slow him down. Get to the end of the hallway and take a fucking stand!
Can't let ourselves get trapped.
Let's get as many as we can. When we see an opening, we go for it. How many bullets y'all have?
Je sens qu'on va perdre quelqu'un.
3.
5. 4. Y'all know where to aim.
Get ready. I'm out!
Me too!
Fuck! Where do we go?
There's no goddamn opening!
Up!
J'arrive pas à cliquer. Et voilà dans le grenier.
That could have gone better.
Everyone okay?
Lee's still bitten.
Shut up.
Okay, let's get out of here and keep moving.
Kid's right. We gotta keep moving. Think there's any chance we get Clem and catch up to those goddamn thieves?
I don't know. Maybe.
Where we're not going out through this window. No latches, no roof access, and 30 feet straight down.
Anyone have any ideas?
I bet this guy would. He's got a resourceful air about him.
Knock it off.
Dixon Kent III. Industrial...
Mead?
Krista. Just trying to lighten the fucking tone.
L'aime
We
bien,
need
Ovid.
solutions, not stupid jokes. I'm sorry.
So, no ideas then.
There's gotta be another way.
Check the floor for any other access, a vent, anything.
Or we wait for the house to clear out and stick to the high ground.
Hey, you're not looking great, and you're warm.
Hey, don't stop.
I'm okay. I'm where my parents... No!
What did that mean?
She's at the hotel, where her parents were staying.
Oh là là.
He hasn't moved her.
Yet.
Yeah. Yet.
We need to start thinking about more than just Clementine when it comes to our urgency.
What do you mean?
How do we get out of here?
That's the whole point. We don't know.
Okay, now your life depends on it. How do you get out of here?
I don't know. I don't get it.
I do.
Like I said, everyone needs to keep looking for a way out, damn it. We're trapped in here.
Do you think that worked?
I don't know. I hope so.
I think we need to have an adult conversation about what happens if Lee takes another spill.
Hey, look.
We could be looking at a Larry situation here.
Who's Larry?
It don't matter.
I think it'd be best if we just worried about getting to Clem right now.
We're not gonna do her any good if you've attacked us.
That isn't gonna happen.
How do you know that?
Guys, I don't know what happened before Omid and I showed up, but we can cross this bridge when we get to it.
Lee, I'm not advocating anything here, but how is this not a thing? We're all so worked up about Clementine that we're forgetting what the fuck happened to you.
My arm is not the issue. I'm not the problem. The 500 walkers in the house and no door in this room are the goddamn problem.
Yeah, maybe at the moment, but who's to say when it becomes an issue? At that point, there may not be any time left to deal with it.
This is getting out of hand.
You're gonna listen to me. We will get Clementine back, with or without you. Because I haven't given up everything to die because we were stupid.
I'm sorry, okay? Fuck, we can't do this!
We're gonna have to!
You ruined that dude's face.
Shut up, sweetie. Look.
It's corroded to hell.
What's on the other side of this wall? A 30-foot drop?
No, this mansion but...
This wall ain't shit.
Is this really possible?
Yeah, we can do this.
Okay.
We'll work in shifts. Omid, Krista, and I. Lee, you rest. We have to work fast.
I wasn't gonna hurt you.
Sure, pal. I know.
Can't believe you didn't tell us you were bitten.
I didn't want to scare anyone.
Because you were scared yourself.
I'd been bitten by a walker.
You thought we'd turn on you.
Sure.
You were scared. I don't blame you.
I would be
Ah,
scared
il est
shitless.
gentil aussi.
It's so weird.
Ils sont trop
You keep
gentils,
doing
eux
a
deux.
double take on your arm, expecting it to be there.
I'm hoping whatever's in their bite is gone too.
What do you think the odds are of that?
I don't know. I know everyone's wondering. Even if it just slows down the process, I'd be happy.
You don't mean that.
So when we get this guy, what do you think?
We figure out who he is, and why he's doing this. We can rescue Clem, but she won't be safe if this guy's not gonna stop.
So, did your crew get into any shit before you met up with us?
Is it possible to have survived and not gotten into some shit?
And, you know, whatever happens to you,
Seriously, can we not talk like that?
I was bitten, Krista.
You cut it off.
What good is it to plan around that working?
What good is it for you to give up?
I haven't given up. Find her a family, okay? Somewhere she'll be safe.
Don't do this.
I want you to hear me.
I hear you. I'm not having this conversation.
Krista, we could look
Aïe,
after
aïe,
her.
aïe.
As long as she has a family. You hear me?
Yeah, of course.
En vrai, j'ai réfléchi et je pense
I'm
que
out
tu
of
devrais
gas.
faire l'inverse à chaque fois que tu
You
veux
look
prendre
good
une
and rested.
décision.
Sure.
Mais comment ça?
You don't count an infected leg.
Déjà
You want
bonjour.
me to do it?
Nah,
Mais,
you can
mais
hop
là,
in after me.
je fais pas des mauvaises décisions. En vrai, je suis désolé.
Shouldn't be long now. It's good we're
Moi,
forced
tout
to
ce que
take
je
a
veux, c'est
breath.
que Clem soit en sécurité.
That, feeling any better?
Non, je viens d'arriver.
Still feels pretty recently chopped.
Ok, ok. Donc, t'as
So
pas vu
no,
mes
Kenny
décisions
feels
d'avant.
about
Après, j'ai
as,
pas fait des décisions de
good
fou,
as you'd
hein.
expect.
C'est juste
I
de la
mean,
discussion, j'ai
Do
pas
you
pris
think
de
it
grosses
worked?
décisions.
Did it help at all?
Si, il y avait la décision de frapper Kenny là avec le buste et je l'ai pas
Feel
fait.
like a man who got bitten. So, take that for what it's worth.
Heard you guys giving Lee some hell
Le fait
about
de pas
hiding
l'avoir
his
dit,
bite.
c'était
Yeah, of
vraiment pas
course.
good parce que t'avais besoin pour
I'd have
Clem.
done the same thing.
Ouais, mais là, du coup, je crois que je me suis bien rattrapé.
How
Parce
are
que
you?
elle a dit qu'elle comprenait.
I don't know how to
Et
answer
il y a
that.
juste Kenny, il avait le seum un peu. C'était bien de.
You've lost
Parfois...
more
Ouais,
than
c'était
anyone.
bien.
Well, as much as anyone.
Lee's family's gone too.
It'll be all right.
Why are you acting like what's happened ain't happened?
Salut Manioc, comment ça va? Bienvenue sur
Anyway,
le stream.
I appreciate it from both of you. A lot of us have lost families. This guy tell you much about what we've been through?
Bits and pieces.
Before y'all, we had this woman, Lily, with us. Lord knows where she is now. Anyway, we had to
Lily, j'avais oublié
make
Lily.
some tough calls with her dad.
Ça va et
She
vous?
came
Ça va,
between
ça
Lee and I
va.
pretty
Ça va
good.
se la coller.
I spent a lot of nights hating this guy's guts.
Bah oui, c'est ton anniversaire, mais on le sait sur le Discord, je l'ai dit.
I'm sorry for hurting you in any way, Kenny. It's impossible.
Là, je dis désolé tout le temps. Tout le temps, je dis désolé.
Sometimes I can't help but wonder if I could have
Je veux partir en héros.
You and me both, Doc. Well, cheers.
Non, non, moi je bois pas d'alcool. Rien qu'à notre santé, c'est vrai. Kenny boit avec toi, Lilou. Ok. Wesh. Un verre par personne. Là-bas, on n'est pas beaucoup.
I'm through! No walkers.
Let's go.
Things are looking up.
Everyone keep a goddamn eye out.
Je vais devoir fouiller. Inquiète.
This place seems pretty sealed off. Well,
Oula. Et ils se sont suicidés. Les amoureux. Perturbante. Ouais, un peu, hein.
Let's keep moving. Gotta go.
yeah. We've seen so many people. I don't know why these ones break my heart.
What's heartbreaking is not giving yourself a chance. It's what Katya did.
Jesus. I'm sorry, kid.
Ah, ça, c'est ma faute, hein.
She left me. A son. People that cared about us. I forgive her, but it don't make it any less wrong. You don't just end it because it's hard. You stick it out, and you help the folks you care about. So let's figure a way out of here and get that little girl.
We should move.
Yeah.
Got at least one shot left.
Let's clear the room before we move on. Lee, figure out where we're headed.
Ouais, sa femme, je sais pas, j'avais pas trop d'avis. Je trouve que c'était un peu un pot de fleurs, hein. Enfin, je veux pas être méchant, mais... Ouais, non, je... Alors attends, on va fouiller avant de regarder... Là, y a rien. Ouais,
Hey,
quoi?
you
Bah,
okay?
désolé, mais ouais, enfin, je sais pas.
Yeah.
Elle est
Let's
veto,
keep
elle a
at
aidé
it.
des fois. Elle a été plein de fois, les gens en les recousant et tout. Oui, c'est vrai. Ouais, c'est vrai, oui, oui, mais je sais pas. Après, peut-être c'est parce que elle était pas là pour les décisions importantes.
No, not going out this window.
Je sais pas. J'avoue, peut-être je suis un bâtard. Y a rien. Là, je pense pas qu'il faut aller par là. Tu trouves des trucs?
I guess Crawford would have gotten them anyway.
It's sick, but think of all the pain they avoided.
Bon, encore devoir faire de l'escalade. Ça suffit.
Nothing other than personal items in here.
Looks like we can stay off the streets all the way to River Street if we're careful.
Let's go.
Ça me fume qu'il me laisse aller en premier. Alors que je suis l'handicapé. Allez Kenny.
Let's keep going.
Toi de toute façon
Be
t'es
careful
condamné.
up here.
Oui c'est vrai.
They haven't learned to
Mais
climb yet, right?
mais on sait jamais, genre je veux quand même revoir en vrai. Je veux quand même revoir Clem. Si je la revois pas avant de mourir, j'avoue j'ai trop le seum.
It's good to be moving.
You ready for whatever's coming?
I got a lot of pain inside me, Lee. I'd like to get even a little bit of it out. You got that walkie-talkie?
Yeah, of course I do.
You might want to give him a call and tell him we're coming for him.
Yeah, right.
Careful cross here.
River Street's just up ahead. Nope. Maw of darkness full of walkers? Fuck that shit.
This roof could give way.
Don't gotta tell me twice.
Let's keep going, you bunch of lollygaggers.
Bah, maintenant on est obligé d'y aller.
Oh, fuck.
Well,
I'm so sorry.
We have to get it back. That's our lifeline to her.
But we can find this guy without it.
And what if we don't? We need every clue that comes out of it.
Lee's right.
I am so fucking sorry.
It's fine. We just need to figure out who's going down there.
No, we don't.
Non 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 mais
Krista! Jesus fucking Christ!
I got it. Get me up.
Fuck! We can't reach. Find something, fast!
Fast would be good.
Keep a fucking eye on her.
là faut que je fasse vite. Y'a rien là?
Need something sturdy.
Can you jump?
Will.
I am jumping.
Et je trouve pas. Oh je suis bête, je trouve pas.
Find a chair or something!
It's pitch black down
Ouais
here.
la chaise là. Il y avait une chaise là-haut, non? Non. J'ai vu une chaise là tout à l'heure. Elle était où?
Grab onto this. We'll pull you up.
Good. Thanks.
Oh merde. Non. Non. Non, pitié.
Shit, they're in there! Fuck! Jump up here, baby!
Let's go. Jump.
Me and my fucking mouth.
Non, Kenny. Non, Kenny!
What are you doing?
Mais Kenny!
Get her, Ken!
Just said all that shit and not do something now. Come on, reach.
I got you, hun.
Save her!
Go!
Do you fucking hear me?
Non, Kenny qui se sacrifie comme ça, vas-y, j'ai trop la haine.
Get Kenny! Jump up here, Ken, I'll grab you!
Ouais, Kenny,
Get the fuck off me!
vas-y, ça fait chier.
No!
Go! I'll be... Go!
J'ai trop la haine.
Where'd he go?
Maybe he ran. Maybe the man's all right. Maybe he'll find us.
What if he doesn't?
He went down there for you.
I know he did. He...
Fais chier. Allez, il a pas fait ça pour rien. RIP Kenny.
Marshall's hotel is around the corner of the block.
Are you okay? Do you want to talk?
Kenny was my friend.
Soon as someone dies, they don't immediately have to have their sins forgiven.
It gets an hour moratorium at least.
I understand. This is a shitty time. I want to make sure we're clear before we go forward.
What is it?
Now with Kenny gone, means Omid and I have to stay safe. For her.
You guys would be great for her. Keep her safe.
We do our best. You know that.
Are you okay?
I should be asking you that.
You know what I'm talking about.
It's nothing.
Kenny didn't die for her. It's nothing.
Let's just keep moving.
We have to cross here.
Well, at least it doesn't look like a death trap. Who's going first?
You're the lightest.
He's got a busted leg, and you're walking for two. I'm obviously not doing so hot. Decision doesn't make itself.
Alors, attendez, vite fait.
You two should go across first.
You're the lightest, Omid. I'll follow right after you. I meant what I said.
Pourquoi il a un moignon le type? On s'est fait mordre au dernier épisode et du coup je me suis fait couper le bras. C'est pour ça. Mais je pense que c'est la fin pour moi, hein. Je suis condamné. Que ça suffira pas. Là l'objectif c'est de retrouver Clem. Qu'elle aille...
Krista, you next.
Ouais, c'est le perso principal. Oui, oui, tu peux ne pas couper, mais moi j'ai décidé de couper. Parce que je me dis... je me suis dit... Si du coup, peut-être que tu perds mon bras, mais au moins... Oh là là, d'étourdissement ou de malaise. Bon bah je suis bien dans la merde là. Je fais comment moi?
What are you gonna do?
Je suis Spider-Man, fils de pute.
I'll figure something out.
There's not a ton of options.
Fuck it. I'm going for it.
going for it?
What does that mean?
It means I'm already bitten. I just have to push my way through.
What the fuck?
Find me when you get down.
What the fuck does that mean?
It means what it sounds like. Hotel's around the corner. Find Clementine and me as soon as you can.
You're crazy!
There's no other way.
Wesh. En détente. Comment les zombies le voient pas? Ah ouais, il en a plus rien à foutre. J'aime bien un peu la scène. Là, trop stylé la scène. La voiture. C'était la voiture pleine de vives. Depuis le début. Depuis qu'on a trouvé la voiture, en fait, il savait. Mais il nous espionne depuis quand? Me dis pas que c'est un perso qu'on connaît. Ça serait fou. Mais ça serait qui? Non, impossible. Herschel? Le mec de la ferme? Non. Impossible. Merci pour le follow, Scraft! Bienvenue, bienvenue! J'aime trop ce son à chaque fois, le son Goofy. Bienvenue sur le live! Ouais, vraiment, j'aime beaucoup quand c'est Goofy. Mais du coup, la voiture, là, je suis choqué. Bon, on va essayer d'ouvrir. La voiture, là, je suis choqué. C'est vraiment, genre, la même voiture. Ce jeu est une masterclass. Rien que pour ça, tu mérites le follow. Ah, merci beaucoup. C'est vrai que le jeu est génial, hein. On est qu'à la première saison. Je pense que du coup, tu reconnais et que tu connais. Moi, je découvre. C'est une pure découverte. Mais c'est un piège? Ah non, c'est peut-être pour empêcher... Mais ouais, vraiment, je suis kiff. C'est trop bien. C'est qui?
I got us adjoining rooms.
Bonjour.
Hello.
Okay. This is civil. You look horrible. And you're missing an arm.
Mais c'est qui?
Go over there.
Qu'est-ce qu'il me veut?
Put your things down.
Let me out! Who's out there?
Quiet, please, sweetie. Your things. There.
C'est qui?
Just be cool.
Je vais pas prendre de risque en vrai.
Good. Go sit down.
Attention. Attention, c'est tendu
Do you
là.
know who I am?
Bah non, je sais pas.
No. I don't know anything about you.
You wouldn't. People like you don't.
Si,
Now you're thinking, who would have it out for me, huh? A few weeks back, there might have been a station wagon in the forest, full of all sorts of food, water,
Ah putain.
things you need.
C'est très fort
to
en déduction, ça. En fait, vu qu'on lui a volé ses vives...
I'm not some cannibal, Lee. Some killer out in the woods. Some villain.
Il veut se venger de
I'm
ça.
just a
Et moi, j'ai
dad.
jamais pris, hein. Putain,
I
père,
coach
j'entraîne
Little
une
League.
équipe junior.
I didn't take from you.
Your people didn't?
I didn't agree with it.
That's what Clementine said. Why didn't you?
Toi, t'as choisi de pas prendre. Ouais, j'ai choisi de pas prendre.
It wasn't right. It wasn't our stuff.
That's real.
C'était un bon
good
choix.
of you.
Bah,
Look,
ouais.
what do you want me to say?
En vrai, en plus, tous
I
ceux
don't
qui
want
ont
you to
pris, bah,
say
ils sont morts. hein.
I want you to know what happened.
Ça change pas son
Have
image,
you
je sais
ever
pas.
hurt somebody?
Ça va, Pénélope?
You
Ça va,
care
Billy?
about?
J'ai pas entendu. Il a dit quoi? J'ai pas entendu.
Not on purpose.
If it were on purpose, you'd be a sociopath. I hurt her so bad.
J'ai pas
My
entendu
son
ce qu'il a
Adam
dit.
went missing. I took him out hunting even though my wife said he was too young. I figured he had to learn.
Mais pause pour répondre au chat.
I
Ce
came
moment-là,
back
je t'en
without
supplie.
him and the
D'accord,
look on
d'accord.
her face
Désolé,
said,
Lilo.
You are a monster. We all went out looking for him. We never found him. I hurt her so bad. And then we came back, and all our stuff was gone.
Ah putain.
Your people, Lee. That asshole in the ball cap. His stupid fucking wife.
Mais attends, mais comment, comment il sait,
Trust back if they hadn't made our situation so desperate.
comment il sait à quoi ressemblaient les gens?
I'm sorry.
The hungrier we got, the more she blamed me. Until she finally took our daughter Elizabeth and left. They didn't get far. I found them a day later in the road.
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
Do I look like a monster to you?
Non, en vrai, non.
I'm not like you. You killed a man with a pitchfork right in front of a little girl.
I did what I had to.
You let a boy get yanked out of a window and into the night so you could protect a pretty girl with a gun.
Et comment il sait tout ça?
You weren't there.
You brought her to the most dangerous place in this city where she could have died.
I fucked up.
Yes, you did.
Comment il sait tout ça?
How could you know all this?
Quoi? C'est la radio? Ah, c'est... C'est Clem qui lui a dit ça tout le long? C'est son père?
You're a
Non,
monster.
non, c'est pas son père.
You're a
Ah
murderer
non, il vient de parler de...
and a thief. And I'm gonna hurt you so bad.
Mais quoi?
Just give me Clementine back.
I'd rather kill her myself, because that's what will happen if she goes with you. After I found Clementine on my radio, I wasn't even mad at you. I was coming for the others, for revenge. But the more I heard about the things you did and the danger she was in, our plan changed. Lee, listen to me. I need you to hear this before what happens next. I can take care of her. We can have a family. I bet you don't even know how old she is.
She's 8.
Wrong. She's 9.
But...
Her birthday was 6 days ago. I know how to be a dad, you know. She wouldn't be exposed to what she has been with you.
That's not happening. You're crazy.
Keeping her with you is crazy.
Let us go.
No. No, I don't think so. You're going away, and we're starting a new family.
C'est mort, je la laisse pas avec ce malade.
Hey, honey. I think this is all gonna work out.
What are you...
Oh, il parle à une tête.
I'm glad too.
Quoi?
I wish it wouldn't have had to get this bad, but it's all over, hon. Isn't it?
Just about.
I hate seeing you like this.
Attends, qu'est-ce que...
I just miss your smile, honey. I miss you so much, Tess. You're gonna like Clementine a lot, though. She's not Lizzie, but she's sweet. She wouldn't hurt a fly.
Merde. J'étais trop chill, moi. C'est pas Clémentine. Putain. Touche pas à Clémentine. Est-ce qu'on lui tire dessus? Je vous demande là. Je sais pas. Est-ce qu'on lui tire dessus ou pas? Ça, on sait pas. Là, je pense qu'il s'est juste évanoui. Il est pas mort. Mais il peut nous retrouver. Et là, même s'il est mort, ça se trouve, il peut se transformer. Est-ce qu'on le termine? S'il vous plaît, répondez-moi. Pitié. Je sais pas quoi faire. C'est la première fois que je vous demande un avis. C'est là, je suis perdu. Là, j'avoue, je sais pas. C'est quoi la question? Si je tue le mec ou pas? Si je lui fous une balle dans la tête? Là, je viens de l'étrangler. Et je sais pas s'il est vraiment mort. Est-ce que je lui colle une balle dans la tête? Au risque de choquer Clem. Même si je pense que... En fait, faut partir du principe que tout ce que tu fais, tu l'apprends un peu à Clémentine. Oui. Oui. Et moi, c'est surtout genre... Si je lui colle pas une balle dans la tête... Mais bon, c'est de la survie, c'est nécessaire. Bah moi, j'ai peur qu'il revienne après s'il est... Je sais pas s'il est vraiment mort. Moi, tant pis.
He could come back.
It's okay, Sweet Pea. We're leaving.
Good.
Bon, je l'ai pas fait. Je suis
I'm
tellement
sorry.
content. Ah bah, trop tard du coup.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, je suis tellement content de la retrouver.
Your arm's gone. Why? That's so scary.
I had an accident. We'll talk about it somewhere safe.
You don't smell good.
Yeah,
Tu te sens
I
pas
know.
bon.
Did he hurt you?
No. Not really. I'm sorry, Lee.
Clem, it's okay. We need to get you somewhere safe.
On a une voiture en plus du coup.
Okay?
Yeah.
Everything's okay now. We
Faut
need
que
to
je lui
figure
dise
out
que
how
j'ai
to
été
get out of
mordu
Savannah
et
as fast as
que
we can.
c'est sans doute la dernière fois qu'elle me voit. Hein.
I'm sorry you had to see that.
Les musiques
He
sont
was
vraiment
going to
cool. Hein.
kill you.
And take you. Yeah.
La musique là, juste avant qu'on arrive à l'hôtel, là où je dégomme tous les zombies, j'ai grave kiffé. Hein. Moi je suis content, on a retrouvé Clémentine. Maintenant, là faut que je récupère mes affaires. Je peux pas récupérer. Bah, ok.
Which way out?
Through there.
Ok, y a rien à lui dire. Là, il y avait une tête là-dedans, on est d'accord? Putain, mais c'est. Oh là là. Faut vraiment être un gros malade.
Don't look in there.
No, I know.
Leads to the other room.
There's nothing in there. Can we go?
Oui, ok.
Yeah,
Ok,
of
on y va,
course.
on y va, on y va. J'ai l'impression qu'elle s'impatiente. Oula. Oh bordel! Oh. Ah, il m'a resté une balle!
It didn't bite you.
Ah, c'est-à-dire que ça y est,
You're covered in all that gross stuff.
Ah, c'est pas à cause de ça, je pense que c'est parce
To
que je me
get through a
transforme.
bunch of them to get here. That's how we'll get out of Savannah.
Ah, ah si, c'est à cause. C'est-à-dire, on va la recouvrir de trucs aussi?
Oh no.
Ça dégoûte. Ah, j'ai un truc dans l'œil. Ah, je suis désolé d'avance. Hein. Oh, les boyaux et tout. J'ai un truc dans l'œil.
We'll get you cleaned up as soon as we can.
Not soon enough.
Ah, pardon, petit problème technique. C'est que j'ai vraiment un truc dans l'œil là.
Are you done?
A little more. I want to be sure. There. That should do it.
I hope so.
And you're missing something.
Il te manque quelque chose.
I thought it was gone.
Ah oui, c'est
I
vrai.
thought you were gone.
Thank you.
Oh là là, mais elle est trop mignonne. Je l'aime
Stay
trop.
right next to me. Walk very slowly. Don't look around. And don't panic. I'll keep you safe.
Ok. Pas de mouvement brusque. On va doucement. Non. Oh, c'est ses parents. Oh merde. Oh merde. Oh la vache. Y a rien qui va. Non.
Lee, wake up! Please don't be dead. Please, no! Lee, I was so scared. I thought you left me. I saw my parents.
Come here, sweet pea.
They're dead. They really are.
Clementine, we have to get out of here as fast as we can.
Oh, we can't. There's
Ouais,
thousands of them
la gueule que
outside.
j'ai.
Have to. I'll protect you. We'll push through
No,
them.
no, that's crazy. I saved you. We're safe here. I locked us in.
Get that door open.
I can't.
Do it!
C'est elle qui va devoir me mettre.
It was only a little open when I found it. I closed it to keep us safe.
Pull on 3. 1, 2, 3!
C'est elle qui va devoir me tuer.
See?
Clementine, honey. My arm is gone because I cut it off.
Why would you do that?
Because I was bitten, Clem.
Please, no. No. That's not true.
Yes, it is. I'm sorry, Clementine. I'm supposed to take care of you. I can't now.
I know.
Oh là 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 là.
I think there might be a way out over there.
Good girl.
Il posait de fou le
I
zombie.
might be a little slow.
T'as fini le jeu? Bah non, pas encore.
I'll help you.
Même pas du tout, là c'est la première saison. Et mais c'est le dernier épisode de la première saison. Donc là c'est un peu triste parce que je pense mourir.
I got you.
Enfin, je pense c'est
You can
même
lean
sûr
on
en
me
fait.
if you have to.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
I thought I was helping by bringing you in here.
Oh, you did, honey. It's awful out there.
Mais ça va, ça a été le taf, Lydie?
It was hard.
I don't know how you did it.
Mais non,
You did
pourquoi je te dis
good.
ça a été le taf? Je croyais que t'étais d'après, mais en fait pas du tout, t'es en repos.
Going.
Je suis un
We're
idiot.
almost there.
Je suis un idiot. Mais oui, non mais laisse tomber, je suis un idiot.
Get up, Lee. The door is right here.
Aïe aïe.
I can't.
You have to.
Ouais, ça va, ça a été.
Damn,
Bon,
I can't move.
tranquille.
This is it for me here.
Please, please, try to get up!
Allez.
I can't. You don't have much time. You gotta do something. Fast.
Like what?
You're gonna have to make sure I don't turn.
You won't, though.
Clem, I will. You know what you have to do.
No, I can't. There's no way.
Je sais pas si t'as vu mon message dans le groupe hier, j'espère que t'es pas venu trop tôt pour rien.
We'll figure it all
Je suis venu normal en vrai, ça l'a fait. Mais merci. En vrai, je viens toujours 1 heure avant.
Just start by getting that door open.
It's locked.
It's no big deal. It's just a glass window.
Ow!
Not with your hand.
Elle est mignonne. Qu'est-ce que tu peux utiliser ça là?
There's a chair over there.
Non? Y'a quoi d'autre?
There's a baseball bat under the counter, Clem. You can use that.
Eh bah, bonne sieste. A plus. Et je te dis, bah, à mercredi.
Use the bat to shatter that window so you can reach in, okay?
Okay.
Watch out for broken glass.
Bien, à plus. Yes, à mercredi. Ok.
Good job. Don't be afraid of him, honey. You're
Il est attaché.
smart. He isn't. You're smarter than all of them.
Pourquoi il peut pas bouger de sa chaise?
The way out's through there, Clem.
I know.
We'll get you in there. Don't worry. We're doing good. Grab the chair, Clem. Use it to reach in to the lock. There. Open it.
He's trapped.
This'll be easy then. He's got keys. Probably to that door. And everything you'll need. There are handcuffs on the ground. Get them.
Okay, Lee.
Put the handcuffs on me. Attach me to this.
What? Why?
No matter what happens, you're safe then.
I don't know.
Just do it, sweetie. Make sure they're tight.
I don't want to do this.
You have to. It'll keep you safe. You only have to deal with him now. He's trapped over there. Be careful. And get what you need from it.
The keys, and then the gun.
The keys and the gun. Just don't be afraid. If anything gets dangerous, you're faster than he is.
What should I get first?
Les clés, les clés.
The keys. In case you have to make a run for it.
Ah bordel. Ah bordel.
Get him! Watch out! The bat, Clem! Get the bat!
Encore. Oui, encore. Oui, encore. Waouh, et c'est là qu'elle devient la meuf badass qu'on veut en fait. Hein.
I did it. I got him.
You can take care of yourself. See?
No, not all the time.
Yeah, you can. Don't worry.
Par contre, j'ai pas envie qu'elle me transforme devant elle. J'ai envie qu'elle me tue avant.
Hey. You're strong, Clem. You can do anything.
But I'm little.
Mais non.
Doesn't mean nothing. You go see bad stuff, but it's okay.
My parents. It's so horrible.
I can't imagine, sweet pea.
And now, you? Please.
Ah putain.
Please don't be one of them. Please don't become a walker.
There's only one thing you can do. You know that.
I don't know if I can.
You have to shoot me, honey.
Lee, no.
It's okay.
Si, si.
It's okay. Clem, I was standing over Doc holding that gun. It was so hard. I'm sorry you're in that position now. I'd give anything for you not to be. But you just have to point it at me. Close your eyes and be thankful you never have to see me as one of them. You can do it. I know you can.
Okay, Lee. I can do it. I can.
Adjan.
Find Omid and Krista. They're probably looking for us right now. Stay on high ground. Don't go too far. You'll find them. They'll take good care of you. And Clem. And always keep moving. You're gonna want to find someplace like the motor inn, but that's just not safe.
Why not?
Those places are just targets. Move as much as you can.
Dirais que je pleure, j'ai des trucs dans les yeux. Hein. Pleure pas. Hein. Imagine. Faut mettre une balle là.
What is it?
No, don't worry. All right. I'll miss you.
Me too.
Et c'est ok. Ouais, c'est ok là. C'est un peu triste en vrai. En vrai, je pleure pas, j'ai vraiment juste un truc dans l'œil qui me pourrit la scène. Mais putain. Chier. Vite à tempête d'émotion. Ah bordel. Vraiment, ça arrive pile au moment là. C'est la fin là? C'est la fin? Ouais, ce jeu vraiment... Oh là là, c'est magnifique. T'inquiète, moi aussi je pleure. Et là, je sais pas... C'est un bug ou... Bon. Alors... Avez-vous tranché le bras de Lee? Bah si, moi je l'ai tranché. Pourquoi ils me disent vous et 68% n'avez pas tranché votre bras? Je l'ai pas tranché moi-même peut-être. Avez-vous perdu patience? Non, moi j'étais calme. Ouais, j'ai rendu mes armes. Ah, on pouvait ne pas le tuer, le mec. Ouais, bah c'est logique. Le dernier là, 95%, les 5%, je sais pas comment ils ont fait. En mode, ils voient leur perso se transformer, horrible. Alors, tu as défendu son fils au drugstore, tu lui as parlé de son passé, tu as tué son fils pour lui épargner cela, il a été pris par la horde en sauvant Krista. Ok, ensuite, c'est Katsa qu'elle s'appelait. Tu as trouvé de l'eau pour Duck qui avait soif, tu lui as dit qu'elle pouvait tuer Duck. Ça, vraiment, ouais, je regrette un peu. Hein. Elle s'est tuée car elle ne pouvait pas faire face à la mort de son fils. Larry. Tu as essayé de le ranimer par massage cardiaque. Larry est mort dans la chambre froide à la ferme. Lily. Tu l'as soutenu quand les provisions ont disparu. Tu as choisi de lui révéler ton passé. Lily a volé le camping-car et a disparu. Vous avez été séparés après le panneau. Ok. Tu as lâché Ben en haut du clocher. Est-ce que j'avais un peu la haine de Ben? Est-ce que Ben aurait pas dû mourir beaucoup plus tôt? Évidemment. Ensuite, Carly. Ah, j'avais trop la haine. Tu avais assez confiance pour te parler de son passé. Tu as sauvé sa vie aux dépens d'une autre. Elle a été tuée par Lily. Tu l'as défendue contre les accusations de Lily. J'ai trop la haine, hein, par contre, qu'elle soit morte, Carly. Tu l'as aidé à monter dans le train. Tu lui as caché ta morsure. Après la séparation, tu lui as dit de te trouver. Tu leur as demandé de trouver une famille à Clem. Okay. Comment il s'appelait, lui? C'est Doug. Tu es avec lui en trouvant ton frère. Il est mort quand ils ont attaqué le drugstore. Ensuite, le gosse, tu l'as secouru à la ferme d'Herschel. Tu as insisté. Il n'avait pas été mordu à Macon. Tu lui as tiré dessus avant sa transformation. Et il n'était pas encore transformé. T'inquiète, on déteste tout ce mec. Ouais, Ben, hein, vraiment. Ça y est. C'est terminé. Première saison terminée. La musique est géniale. Hein. Oui, j'ai envie de faire la suite. Oui, bien sûr. Et j'ai envie de jouer Clem, évidemment. Après, est-ce que la saison 2 démarre direct après là ou alors il y a un saut dans le temps? Bon, je verrai ça parce que... Mais ah là là, mais je suis trop content de découvrir ça. Et c'est bien parce que c'est le genre de jeu où même si c'est sorti il y a longtemps, tu peux pas te faire spoil. Logiquement, c'est pas un jeu qui... C'est peut-être un peu fort, hein. Pardon. On va baisser un peu, hop. Voilà. Mais ouais, non, franchement... J'ai trop hâte. Saison 2, j'ai trop hâte. Je sais pas si on relance direct la saison 2. Je sais pas. Est-ce qu'on fait pas une petite pause? Parce que de base, à la base, j'étais sur les Resident Evil. Et j'ai fait une pause en jouant à The Walking Dead, qui est un jeu beaucoup plus long que Resident Evil. Que les Resident Evil. Nous voilà dans une panade. Est-ce que je reprends Resident Evil? Est-ce que je continue The Walking Dead? Est-ce que je fais autre chose? Vraie question. Comme tu veux. Bah ouais, je sais bien. Mais du coup, cet épisode est vraiment un peu plus court. Hein. Là, on a 1h30. J'espère que tu joueras quand je pourrai regarder, c'est tout. Bah ouais, de toute façon, tu connais mes horaires de stream. Hein. En général, c'est si tu bosses ou non. Là, prochain stream, c'est mercredi. Après, c'est le vendredi, ça bouge pas. Ouais, voilà, c'est selon si tu bosses. Mais après, je taffe mercredi, vendredi. Bon, c'est pas grave, il y aura les rediffs. Les rediffs sont sur YouTube, donc il n'y a pas de problème. Après, c'est toujours moins bien qu'en direct. Ouais. Ouais, c'est... Mais, ou alors, ça se trouve, saison 2, je commence pas mercredi, hein. Ça se trouve, je commencerai plus tard. Hein. Mercredi, ça se trouve, je peux reprendre Valo. Valo, mais uniquement, je pense, en 5 stack. Hein. Je pense que... Ou alors, soit en 5 stack, soit en solo queue. Mercredi, je travaille pas jeudi. Donc, il y a moyen, je me dis, vas-y, solo queue, et je passe... J'arrête pas tant que je suis pas passé... Tant que j'ai pas rank up. Oh, elle est là, elle est là, elle est là. L'aime. Putain, ça me saoule, elle est toute seule. C'est qui? Ça ressemble pas aux silhouettes de Omi des... C'est Martha? Oh là 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 là. Krista, pardon. J'ai trop du mal avec son prénom, Krista. Bah, ces deux silhouettes nous ont vus. Aïe aïe aïe. Que va-t-il se passer? OMG. Ah là là. Bon, moi j'y vais, goodbye. Ouais, bah profite bien, bon anniversaire encore une fois. Profite bien à fond, j'espère que Ben il va te régaler. Et, ou alors tu t'es déjà régalé. Et puis ciao ciao. Hein. Saison 2. On va pas spoil. Hein. Ouais, j'ai eu un tourne-disque. Oh, trop bien. C'est génial. Trop bien. Et bah, GG à lui. Hein. Ok. Bisous, bisous. Vas-y, bisous. Ok, ok. Alors. Question, comment ça va se passer ensuite? Hop. Je pense que c'est un petit stream, mais je pense que du coup, on va s'arrêter là, hein, parce que c'est le dernier épisode. Du coup, ouais, je sais pas comment ça va se passer. Je sais pas si je fais la saison 2 direct. J'avoue que j'ai tellement envie. Mais je pense que ça peut être drôle si je fais de la solo queue sur Valo mercredi et que vous me voyez péter un plomb. Je pense qu'on peut faire ça. Quoi qu'il arrive, merci d'être passé, merci d'avoir suivi l'épisode, c'était trop bien, j'aime trop ce jeu. Si vous avez l'occasion un jour de jouer à ce jeu, faites pas les mêmes choix que moi, parce que je fais des choix catastrophiques. Mais j'aime trop ce jeu. Je vous souhaite une très bonne soirée. Il est pas tard du tout, hein, mais passez une très bonne soirée. Je vous fais des gros bisous et on se dit à mercredi. Allez, ciao ciao!
This money became an obsession. I gotta go count my blessings. Shawty in the back, I'm dressing. This shit is a miracle, flip a reciprocal. I'm on my digital proof.